everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dia and I appreciate you stopping by. Today I'm just doing a quick little vlog style unboxing of my most recent stationery purchase from Baum-Kuchen. I believe that's how you pronounce the name. I was saying Baum-Kuchen, but I watched one of her videos the other day and I believe she said Baum-Kuchen. And I still might be pronouncing that wrong. But I'll leave a link for their store down below. In my last video, I showed you guys a little plan with me of this planner right here. This is a Traveler's Company notebook that I've had for years. And I keep watching all these videos and I wanted to bring this one back out again. I do use this one and I have always used this one for years as my journal. It actually says Midori on it because it's one of the original ones before they became Traveler's Company, but that is my everyday journal. And I've been wanting to use camel for a while again, and this is the only camel cover that I have, and it got a bit scratched up from my dog when she was a puppy. And I don't know, I just never really bonded with this planner. I love the color, but for some reason, I don't know if it's because we originally purchased this for my daughter that I just never felt connected to it. I know someday when my dog is gone, I'm gonna cherish this little scratched up memory of hers. But for now, I really want a new one and I missed the Superior Labor sale, but I don't know if I really, I don't even own anything from Superior Labor, so I don't know why I would want the one with the stamp on it. It's their 15-year anniversary. I think I just want it because it looks really cool and everyone else has it. But what I'll probably end up doing is making a trip down to the Baum-Kuchen store. It's a couple of hours away from me, and getting myself a new camel and having them stamp it. So until then, I'm gonna keep using this one to make sure that this works for me next year as my business planner. Right now I have 2 inserts in it, and one is an undated weekly and the other one is just a blank notebook that I use to make notes in. And I did pre-order the weekly dated and the monthly dated, and they won't be going together into the same planner. They're gonna go into 2 separate planners, and I got a couple of other goodies, but anyway, I just thought I would open it up with you guys to share with you. So it's like a really cloudy, rainy day, and I'm trying really hard to stay awake. Okay, so it came in this packaging right here. Oh, I forgot I got a little bag too that I've been wanting. Okay, I already forgot what I ordered, but this is the bag. I love how there's like a couple little pieces of washi tape and then this little fragile sticker. I'm gonna take those off and keep them and put them in my journal. But for now, I'm just gonna cut this open with my tiny little ridiculous scissors. I wanna make sure I'm not cutting into anything. I've never ordered anything from this store before. Holy crap, what am I doing? I'm cutting into the envelope. Okay. Oh, I cut into the wrapping. Oh, this is so cute. So pretty. This is it right here. So it's in this white bag, and all of the little ephemera is so cute. So this is a postcard that I'll be keeping in my journal. There's a couple more pieces of washi tape. It does take them a little while to send their orders because they all have a personal touch on them and they take their time packaging. My address came up with some sort of notification, and they actually reached out to me to make sure my address was correct before they sent me my package, which I very much appreciated. And I think it also took a little while longer because some of the stuff that I ordered was pre-order from Traveler's Notebook, and I think they needed to wait to get it all in. Let's see, let's open this up. I'm gonna try and open these without ripping them. Okay, so between a piece of like this board are my inserts. Here is the monthly dated insert. Oh man, how did I do that? I don't know how I did that. I totally forgot to order the weekly dated insert. So here's the monthly dated insert, And this is going to go into my brown TN, which is my journal. And I wanted to use this monthly one as a gratitude journal. I just want to write in every day one thing that I'm grateful for, just to make sure I am consciously focusing on the positive. Yeah, let me check my order real quick. I'm pretty sure it's me, not them, because I just messed up an ink order at Jet Pens too. Yep, sure enough, I forgot. I don't know how I didn't order that. I'm so bummed. Luckily, I have a store near me that probably has them in stock now, so I'll go pick one up from there. It's called Warwicks, and it's in La Jolla, and I get a lot of my traveler's notebook and fountain pen stuff from there, so I'll have to swing by there and pick up the dated weekly. Anyway, besides this monthly one that I'm going to be using as a quick gratitude journal, I also got these stickers. I've always wanted these, mainly because of the monthly tab stickers, because I want to put these tabs in my monthly planner. And I always wondered where people got them from, and I didn't realize that it was a part of this sticker kit. So let me open this up. Oh, you know what? Do you guys want me to open this one up too? I'm sure you guys have all seen these before. So this is the color of the monthly one. It's this really pretty orange, actually. It's stamped with 2023 on the inside. And then this is what it looks like. Okay, so I can't wait to use that. It's a little wrinkled, but oh wow. And then what is this? Oh, this is the little traveler's notebook guide. And then coffee and notebooks. Stickers to customize. Okay, so here are the stickers. Do they have different themes all the time? Because I noticed that Traveler's Company in general has like a travel theme and a coffee theme. I wanted the Starbucks coffee TN too, but I really don't drink Starbucks. Okay, so there's these stickers here. And then it comes with 1, 2, 3, is that three sets of tabs. So that is cool. And they're in 3 different colors, right? Yeah, 3 sets. 2 of them spell out the whole month, and then the other one abbreviates the months. Those are cool. So this is the whole reason I bought this sticker kit. And then it has these little travel stickers, dots. What do you guys use these dots for? Anybody who uses Traveler's Notebook, I have no idea what to do with these. And then, oh my gosh, I had no idea it came with all this stuff. What is this? Anybody know what this is? These look like the pouches. Where's the thing that told me what's in here? I don't know. So, oh, they are. Okay, these are like little sticker pouches. So you stick them on and they stick here around the outside, and then they have a little slit that punches out on top. And there are 3 of these. These are so cute. I like those. Okay, and then last but not least are, I think these are transfer. Oh, here's what they are, guys. I'm such a dork. Okay, so here are more alphabet stickers and numbers, and they're dry transfer, actually, not stickers. They're transfer paper kind of thingies. And then these are customized sticker. And let's see, and then there's the index stickers, the tabs, the schedule stickers, which are all the other ones. And then these are clear round stickers. And on here, they just kind of use the stickers like that. And then, yeah, those are pouches. So that's cool. And they make these for all the different sizes. And then the tabs, you can put them on the side, which is what I plan on doing with them, or you can put them at the top. Okay, and then next, I got 2 brass charms. I got this one for my husband. It's one of the travel ones. This is the one I got for my husband, I think. Did I? He got that to put on this part of his TN right here. And I got this one. I'm gonna look at mine right now. Here now together with you. Little sticker, and then they have it taped in. This one has the cherry blossoms on it. This is one side, has like these cherry blossoms blowing. I want to put this like this on here. Okay, so I pulled it out. I was debating. I feel like it would be too big to have hanging here on the bottom. I don't like when it clanks really loud against my desk. So I'm just gonna put it here. Perfect. I actually think I need to make my band tighter, but this is it. I'm glad it's not too big. I thought it might be a little bit too big, but I really like that there. And I like how it just floats around a little. Okay. Now for the main reason I made a purchase at this store. I keep seeing these on Instagram and I've wanted one so bad. They didn't have the color I wanted, which was yellow. It was sold out and I kept checking back and it was sold out for a while. So I finally decided to get it in green. And then when I looked the other day, the green was out of stock and the yellow's back in stock. But I think I'm glad I got green because my Delphonics bag is yellow and it'd be too matchy-matchy. But anyway, I got one of these Penelope bags. It looks a lot smaller in real life than it did in there, but this is to hold my planners on my desk. So I'm gonna take you guys over to my desk to see what I have on there right now. And I just wanted something that I could keep my planners in, and then if I decide to move over here and work a little or go out to my couch, I could just grab it and go. And how cute is this anyway? It's this little square tote and it's the Penelope. They have bigger ones too, and they have one with a pocket, but I just needed something to hold my planners up on my desk and mainly my traveler's notebooks. So anyway, okay, well, let's go over to my desk and replace what I had with my new stuff. Okay, so this is my desk. It's pretty plain and basic, and I didn't like my notebooks just laying everywhere. I really wanted to put them in something, so I got this little box from IKEA and it's worked really well, but I bought it so that I can wait for the bag to come, and I'm seeing how much smaller the bag is, but I think everything will be okay. As you can see, this is quite a bit smaller than this, but I really didn't need all of this stuff out here anyway. Let me grab my planners first. Most importantly, I got it to house my planners, so both of them are gonna go in there first. And then this is my daily planner and my 5-year journal. This one I actually keep in my purse, so I'll probably toss this back into my purse. And this is the book I'm reading currently at night, and this is the one that I'm currently reading in the morning, so this one I'd like to put in here too. Okay, I think I'm going to keep these this way. Right? Yeah. There we go. Okay guys, so there it is right there. I think it looks really cute on my desk. And it just keeps my notebooks from being all over the place. Hey guys, it's next day me, and I couldn't wait any longer. I went ahead and went to Warwicks, which is in La Jolla in San Diego, and I picked up my weekly dated inserts, which I was really surprised they had. At first, I missed them and almost walked right past them, but I went ahead and picked these up there. Just in case you're not familiar with these, the year is broken up into 2 different booklets, which helps keep your traveler's notebook thinner. It's a bit costly. It was $28. Which I feel is a little on the high side. I'm gonna get proper use out of it, so it'll be okay. But I got my dated weekly insert and I couldn't help it. I know I said that I wanted to wait and go to the Baum-Kuchen store to get another camel traveler's notebook, but I went ahead and picked one up there. I like to support local businesses and I really enjoy this store. They have a ton of traveler's notebook stuff, a ton of fountain pens, and it's also a bookstore. So if you're ever in the area, you need to go check them out, and the staff there is so helpful and so friendly. I just wanted to go ahead and open this up with you guys on camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and face it down so we can compare it to my older camel planner and also my pocket camel planner, and hopefully I fall in love with this one. Before I open this up, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys my 2 current camel TNs. I have this one in the passport size and this one in the regular size, and you can see how different they are in color and even texture. I purchased this one probably about 5 years ago, and this one I just purchased this year, but you can see how much darker this one is, and I feel like this one has a little bit more of that fuzzy surface. You can very much see the difference in these two, so I'm really excited and curious to see what this one is going to be like. And I hope I grow as attached to it as I am to my brown one. I love the green band with the camel color. I'm kind of nervous because I'm hoping I love it. I really do like the light color of this one, but I also like this one. So maybe it'll be somewhere in between. Let's keep these right here. Okay. It smells wonderful. It is so soft. I can already feel it. Oops. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. This one, I guess this one's kind of soft too, but you don't really feel it because of this embossing here. But wow, it is so soft. Have I said it's soft yet? It's really soft. It is beautiful. Look at the color difference. So it's perfect, actually. It's not quite as dark as this one and not quite as light as this one. I do love this one. I don't know, like I said, I'm just not attached to it. But this one is a lot darker. And I can't wait to see how it wears. And I still think I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the Baum-Kuchen store to probably get something embossed on it or stamped on it, or maybe even a patch. But wow, it's really different. I like how this one feels in my hand better than my older one. I don't know, which one do you guys like better? I mean, this color is really beautiful, but I think I am gonna like this one better. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and switch all my stuff over, and yeah, I just wanted to pop on and show you guys the comparison, and that I ended up purchasing one before making it to the Baum-Kuchen store. Before I go, I went ahead and put it in here. You guys, I love this. It is so silky soft. I don't know if it'll stay that way, and I don't remember this one ever feeling that way in my hands, but I think I'm in love. So I just wanted to show it to you guys with my stuff in it. And this is all it basically is. The weekly insert, a card insert, and then a blank insert that I take notes on in the back. And where do you guys keep your pen? I normally keep mine on the front cover, but because I have all this brass on here and this is silver, I didn't like the way it looked on there. But anyway, just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like all put together. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. If you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, make sure you hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video.